Consequently,
India stopped the water supply by by stopping the Sindhu water, right?
hmm,
Chenab, which river has been
whereby
the the water flow has been stopped of which river? Indus River.
okay.
So since since the attack of Pahalgam, since the terror attack in Pahalgam, India took decision to stop the Sindh water, Indus water.
To stop.
Consequently, people are suffering. The entire ecosystem has become disbalanced in Pakistan. Right. Tell me. Saying something? Okay. Conversely,
Conversely, India prefers revenge over peace against Pakistan.
yes. Conversely, okay, good. Elsewhere,
I fed up. I fed up hot temperature. Now I want to go elsewhere.
okay. Finally,
Finally, India has planned an attack against Pakistan as the Operation Sindoor is a success.
okay. What is the next? After finally,
Furthermore,
furthermore,
For
furthermore. Further, who's you? Hmm. Furthermore, Indian army is also planning to do more attacks.
hmm,
Furthermore means what? Furthermore means
India.
to add some extra information. When you want to add some extra information, you use furthermore.
Furthermore.
Okay. Good.
me,
Yeah. Next. Hence.
uh, India has planned Operation Sindoor and it was a success.
India.
India, India has planned the Operation Sindoor and it was a success.
Yes.
Hmm.
However,
Okay. Next. However. However. Who? You. Good. Hmm?
not
Not
Me.
me.
However, India. um, However, India will do.
However, when do we use however? When first sentence is positive and second sentence is
negative.
negative. What will be the sentence?
However, the Sindoor
Pakistan
operation.
attacked India. Pakistan attacked on India.
India.
However, India too was ready to to counter attack. Okay. Next. In addition,
The Operation Sindoor, which was uh, for now, the Operation Sindoor was a success. In addition, the country India is planning for more attacks.
In contrast, in, in contrast, India did very well, and Pakistan. In contrast, India did very well, and Pakistan